Imagine waking up each day knowing you have the potential to earn money right from your laptop, all thanks to tools like ChatGPT and platforms like Upwork. It's a game changer. Let's dive into how you can leverage these resources to create a sustainable income stream. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. This AI tool is like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, or even a programmer, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, draft content, or solve complex problems. For instance, if you're a freelance writer, you can use ChatGPT to overcome writer's block. Just input a topic, and it can provide outlines, key points, or even full paragraphs to get you started. This not only saves time, but also boosts your productivity, allowing you to take on more projects. Now, let's connect this to Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing platform where you can showcase your skills and connect with clients looking for your expertise. The first step is to create a compelling profile. Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Use ChatGPT to help craft a captivating bio that stands out. Remember, clients are looking for someone who can solve their problems, so make it clear how you can do that. Once your profile is set, it's time to start bidding on jobs. Here's where ChatGPT can come in handy again. When you find a job that interests you, use it to draft a personalized proposal. Tailor your message to address the client's specific needs and demonstrate how your skills align with their project. A well-crafted proposal can significantly increase your chances of landing the job. As you start getting projects, it's essential to manage your time effectively. Use ChatGPT to help you create a schedule or even to automate repetitive tasks. For example, if you're doing social media management, you can generate content calendars or post ideas with the help of AI. This not only frees up your time, but also allows you to focus on delivering high-quality work, which is crucial for building a good reputation on Upwork. Another great way to earn money is by offering services that combine your skills with ChatGPT. For instance, you could provide content creation services, where you write articles or social media posts using ChatGPT to enhance your work. Or, if you're into programming, you could offer to develop chatbots for businesses using ChatGPT as the foundation. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget about networking. Upwork has a community of freelancers and clients. Engage with others, join forums, and participate in discussions. You can learn a lot from fellow freelancers about how they use tools like ChatGPT to enhance their work. Plus, building relationships can lead to referrals and repeat clients, which are gold in the freelancing world. Lastly, always be open to learning. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and so are tools like ChatGPT. Stay updated on new features and best practices. Consider taking online courses to improve your skills or learn new ones that are in demand on Upwork. The more versatile you are, the more opportunities you'll have. In summary, earning money with ChatGPT and Upwork is not just a dream, it's a reality within reach. By leveraging AI to enhance your skills, creating a standout profile, crafting personalized proposals, and continuously learning, you can build a successful freelancing career. Embrace the tools at your disposal and watch your income grow.